Hello students, let us see one more problem. Calculate the enthalpy change for the reactions. Okay, methane plus oxygen. This is okay. Whatever the given, firstly you write down, student. Firstly the equation is given CH4. This is the gas, plus it is there 2O2. This is again to be gas. It is giving carbon dioxide, that to be gas, and that is 2 mole of water, that is liquid. The enthalpy of formation of methane, that is given. What is the enthalpy of formation, student? Delta F, and that is H. Okay, and this is the form in the standard state, that is CH4 is given, and that is what. Then again they are saying delta FH not what CO2, and then again they are giving that is for water also. So delta FH not, that is water also given. Okay, so these many things are given. For CH4 you can see, student, for CH4 it is there minus 74.8. okay, for CO2 it is given, okay, how minus 393.5, and for H2O it is given minus 285.8, and here another thing, oxygen is there. So delta FH naught, that is O2 is standard state, so it is 0. Okay, so they are asking, what they are asking, student? Delta RH, enthalpy of reaction. Okay, how much? So we know, student, enthalpy of reaction, how we calculate enthalpy of reaction. So easily we can calculate, student, sum of, this is the sum of enthalpy of formation of formation of what, student? Reactant. Okay, sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant minus sum of enthalpy of not reactant, student, product minus reactant, sorry, sum of enthalpy of formation of product minus sum of enthalpy of formation of reactants. Okay, reactants. Now sum of enthalpy of formation of product, student, what will be the enthalpy of formation of product? Okay, so you see what are the product here, carbon dioxide and water is there. So that is delta FH, what is there, carbon dioxide in one bracket, plus what is there, delta FH, and that is how many mole are there, 2 mole. So we are 2 into delta FH, that is water molecule. Okay, minus sign you put out, this is enthalpy of formation of a reactant, that is CH4. So delta F, okay, and here is H, delta FH, and what is there, student? Methane are there, CH4. This is one bracket, plus what is there, delta FH, and enthalpy of formation of another is there, dioxygen. Okay, so 2O2 is there, so 2 and O2. Okay, this one, put out the value, dear students. What is carbon dioxide? The value you can see out, that it carbon dioxide value is how much is there, student? Minus 393.5. so here it is coming out to be minus 393.5 plus 2 into water molecule is there, so 2 into water molecule 285.8, so it will come, that is, it is coming to be 2 into minus 285.8. this is okay, and this will be in that bracket, middle bracket, right? Minus sign we are putting, students. So what will come here, you send delta HCH4 is there. Where is CH4? This is the first number. Okay, CH4 only one is there, so we can write here delta FHCH4 is already there, nice, student, already we wrote the formula, so directly you put out the value. So how much value is there for methane? Minus 74.8. Here you can see, student, for the methane, no, minus 70, this is there, but these things are there in the bracket, this is the in the bracket. Okay, and plus, okay, this is the, wait, students, sometimes we can do the mistakes easily. It is the, that is formula, and after that this, in this formula, this is the 74.8 will be there, and another things are there, that is oxygen, how many are there, students? You can see in the equation 2, so that is you can write multiply by 2, and here is enthalpy of formation, how much will be there, student? That is 0, multiply by 0. So dear students, you can check it out. This is becoming 0, and here if you are multiplying the values, this is coming to be how much? It is coming, dear students, that is minus 393.5, and plus into minus, that is it will be coming again minus. So how much is minus is there? That is 571.6. This is coming, plus how much is coming? This is the minus into minus, that is plus 74.8. This minus formula and this minus given value. So this one is coming. Now you solve it out. If you are adding minus and minus, students, so how much value you are going to get, dear students? Here is a plus 74 is there. These are the minus. It is coming, if you are minus, coming 965.1 if you are adding this, and plus it is coming 74. This is 74.8. okay, and finally if you are minus and plus, if you are adding it out, it will come, this will come to be in the term of minus 890.3. okay, this is the kilojoule. For how many mole it is forming? They are the formation 1 mole are there, but you put out the value in kilojoule. So minus 890.3 kilojoule, and this is what is, student, delta RH for the reaction, enthalpy of reaction. So this is our required answer, students. I hope this will be helpful, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.